Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming compatibility. Check your phone supports USB audio via OTG or native USB-C. Once confirmed, connect the OTG adapter to the phone and have the USB speaker and any cable ready. Make sure to close heavy apps and lower volume to avoid pops. This prevents damage and speeds discovery. If your speaker has a power switch, keep it off until the phone recognizes the device. Now plug the adapter firmly, so the phone can enumerate the speaker. You plug the speaker into the OTG adapter and power it on if needed, then connect the adapter to the phone. Do that now. Once connected, watch for a USB audio prompt and grant permission so the phone can send sound. Next, open Settings and select the new USB audio output or use the quick audio switch in the notification shade. Play a short clip to confirm. If you hear nothing, toggle the speaker power and reselect the USB output to force reinitialization. Finish by adjusting the phone and speaker volumes and any EQ settings for balanced sound. Avoid max volume to prevent distortion. If the speaker still lacks audio, disconnect and reconnect the USB cable, try a different OTG adapter or cable, and reboot the phone to clear driver states. Once done, test the speaker on a PC or another device to verify the speaker itself works. If it fails only with your phone, the issue is phone side. Check for driver updates or USB settings.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.